Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So as you can see, I have in front of me here an Amazon package. So we have another unboxing for you today, all right? So what I have here is a case from Casejoly, and we're gonna unbox this today. This case is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, okay? And this is the Pacific Blue. So I got a navy blue case from Casejoly, and we're gonna unbox that and look at that one today. But before I get into this unboxing, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as we have another upload on this channel. All right, so please help growing this channel by subscribing and turning on that notification bell. Will notify you when we have another upload on this channel. So please head on down below and subscribe, all right, and help this channel grow. So let's get into this unboxing here. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead, rip this plastic here open, and we're gonna take the case out, this plastic here. Let's put this aside for now. Boom. All right, so we have it here. As you can see, the case is from Casejoly. All right, and this says simplicity for fashion. And I saw this case on Amazon. It seemed really attractive, the color, as far as the color, the design, and everything. So let's see what we have on the back here. It says shockproof slim case. It says novel and stylish design, exquisite high quality case, easy to install and remove, shockproof, anti-scratch, non-slip, providing comprehensive all-round protection while maintaining a slim profile. Perfect cutout for easy access to all features, camera buttons, and ports. So this is the code here we have on the back. We can scan for us to see what more product that they offer, and this is to contact the US for customer service or whatever issues you have. All right, so let's get into the box and see what we have here. So we're gonna open the box. So we have here the case. Let's see what else we have inside here. And this is another piece of paper here from Casejoly. This is their pretty much their website or email right here. This is their email, and I'm pretty much sure they have their website here on the back as well. By scanning this QR code here, you can get access to their website. All right, so let's go ahead, dive into the case. Let's move these packages aside for now. All right, let's get them on the side. Take this case out of the package, put this aside, and let's look at the case. So as you can see, it has a matte back. This looks really beautiful, guys. Look at this up close. You can see it's frosty, just like the back of the iPhone. Nice feel to it, not slippery at all. A lot of grip on this, guys. Got a lot of grip. And on the case, you have the hard, it's TPU on the back here. On the sides, as you can see, it's nice and squared off, just like the iPhone. As you can see, your power button here on the side, it's round shaped, it's not flat. Here you have your volume up and down here on the left hand side. Looks really nice, feels pretty nice and soft, easy to press. We also have our cutout here for the silent switch on the iPhone, and on the bottom we have our speaker grill cutout and our charging port cutout here. But man, this case looks beautiful. As you can see, it has a nice slim profile going around the lips here, and you can see this is designed to go right over the face of the iPhone. Offers a little protection there, and the camera bump here has a little raise. As you can see, it's protruding a little bit to protect your cameras. Okay, so this is really nice. Has a nice frost back on the inside. There's no patterns cut out on the inside, no textures or anything. It's just smooth, but it's frosty, so I'm guessing it's gonna feel really nice on the phone. So let's go ahead and put our phone inside the case. I know you're waiting to see that. All right, so it slips in there really nice and easy. Oh man, look at this. Nice amount of rays over the face of the iPhone. Offers protection here, so if you put it face down like this, it pretty much protects the phone. As you can see, nice amount of lip on the front. Volume power button, nice and easy to press. Look at that. Oh man, feels so nice. And the volume up and down here, very easy to press, guys. Really nice and easy. Your silent switch, easy to reach. As you can see, my thumb, I can get my thumb in there pretty easy to flick the switch. And on the bottom here, you got your cutout for your speaker grill, charging port. Looks really nice and uniform there as well. The case fit pretty nice and tight and snug. No big movements here. Really nice and tight. Oh man, look at this. Really slim, light case. The grip on this, it's second to none. Really nice and grippy. It's like you can feel a little bit of friction when you rub your hands on here. It's not really gliding over it just like that. There's a little resistance to it, so you can tell this is a nice case. Pretty much it says non-slippery, and it's really non-slippery, guys. I can tell you that for sure by the feel of this case. And on the back here, for your camera cutout here, really nice and uniform as well. You can see it has a little protrude. It's protruding a little bit right here, so it covers your camera as far as the height. So if you put it on the back here, it protects your camera, so you can knock it down like this. As you can see right here, there's a little raise right here to protect your cameras. All right, and this dark back here looks identical to the color of the that space gray color they have on the iPhone. The space gray color, man, this is beautiful. So this is a nice case if you want to have a combination of the blue iPhone and that space gray they have. Oh man, this looks really nice. Really nice, man. So that's the unboxing of the case. If you're interested, I'm gonna have the link for this case in the description, guys, and you want to go ahead and check it out right away, because I checked as I'm recording this video. Today is January 10th, and I'm telling you that they have a $4 discount on Amazon, where you can apply a $4 coupon and get an extra $4 off this case on Amazon. So you can go ahead, click on that link to purchase this case, and you get a huge deal, like 50% off, including that $4. Okay, so you want to go ahead and check that out if you're interested in getting that case. And this is really nice, guys. Look at this, with this blue, with the blue and the space gray combination. This is a combination of both colors of the iPhones that they have on Apple, which is the space gray and the Pacific blue. So again, this is another unboxing. If you, as I mentioned before, the link is going to be in the description to purchase this case, so you can go ahead and click that link and make the purchase. All right, and again, thank you for watching. Remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. All right, thank you for watching again. Peace.